There is an invisible line that separates casual gadget enthusiasts from those who demand absolute survival-grade capability on their wrists, and with the arrival of the Apple Watch Ultra 4, that line has just been completely erased. For the past few years, smartwatches have followed a predictable, comfortable formula. They track your steps, they show your text messages, and they remind you to breathe. But deep inside Apple's secret development labs, a completely different directive took over. They set out to create an uncompromising, rugged powerhouse capable of braving sub-zero mountain peaks, enduring deep ocean pressures, and surviving the most brutal environments on Earth, all while maintaining the seamless, elite intelligence of the Apple ecosystem. The result is a device that does not just sit on your wrist. It actively watches over your life. If you think this is just a minor aesthetic refresh or another predictable spec bump for wealthy tech enthusiasts, you are missing a massive, underlying shift in wearable technology. We are about to strip away the glossy marketing campaigns and dive into the raw reality of the Ultra 4, exploring the disruptive new engineering under the hood, the dark truth about why traditional sports watches are panicking, and exactly why this device forces you to rethink what you are willing to trust with your safety when everything else fails. Let us be completely honest about the luxury and rugged watch market for a moment. For decades, traditional mechanical dive watches and high-end digital sports watches held a tight monopoly on extreme endurance. They bragged about atomic timekeeping, heavy steel casings, and decades of analog reliability. But they lacked the one thing that defines the modern world: hyperintelligence. When Apple introduced the Ultra lineup, they sent a shockwave through the industry. But the Ultra 4 completely shatters the old paradigm. The heart of this machine is an architectural marvel, wrapped in a stunning, aerospace-grade titanium chassis that has been visually and structurally refined to optimize weight distribution. This watch feels virtually indestructible, yet surprisingly light on the wrist. Apple has completely re-engineered the metallurgical composition to increase scratch resistance to near-diamond levels, meaning that whether you scrape it against jagged granite while rock climbing or accidentally slam it against a concrete door frame in the city, the watch remains pristine. But a rugged shell means absolutely nothing if the screen goes dark when you need it most. The display on the Ultra 4 is a staggering achievement in panel technology. Imagine standing in the middle of a blinding, white-out snowstorm or under the direct, scorching glare of the midday sun in the California desert. On a standard smartwatch, you would be squinting, cupping your hand over the display, desperately trying to read your coordinates. The Ultra 4 utilizes an advanced, hyper-bright display architecture that pushes peak brightness to unprecedented levels, cutting through intense ambient glare like a laser. Yet, in a stroke of pure engineering genius, the moment you step into pitch-black darkness, the screen shifts dynamically into an ultra-low power night mode, dropping its luminescence down to a single nit to protect your night vision and keep your location completely discreet. The text remains crisp, legible, and immediately readable at a fraction of a glance. This visual precision is backed by an explosion of processing power under the hood. The customized silicon driving the Ultra 4 is not just built for speed. It is built for extreme cognitive processing at the edge. We are living in an era where waiting for a cloud server to process your data is not just annoying, it is dangerous.